Hello everyone, I am K. Vishwat, Assistant Professor, St. Peter's Engineering College. In the previous video, in the previous session, we have discussed integration by parts method, right? We have completed integration by parts method in that session. In this session, we will see some more problems. Let us see this problem. Show that integration e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. That is also we have to show e power of x into f of x. Alright? We have to do this condition. To prove this, first let us take this LHS variables. So what is that? Integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. Let us multiply with e power of x here. So here we will get e power of x into f of x plus e power of x into f dash of x into dx. Here also dx. Okay. Now here we have one integral e power of x into f of x into dx plus this is total term. I am applying integration for these two terms separately. E power of x into f dash of x into dx. Now we got two integrals here. So let us consider this second integral as I1 first. So integral e power of x into f of x into dx equals to, consider this total integral value as I1. That is integral 1, where I1 is what? Integral e power of x into f dash of x dx. Okay, so this is given integral. Consider this value as I. Then let us solve this I value. So what is I1 here? I1 is equal to integral e power of x into f dash of x into dx. To solve this integral, we have to use integration by parts method. Alright? In integration by parts method, first we have to consider one term as u and another term as dv. Here we have only one function, that is e power of x. We have f dash of x is there. That means we don't know f of x value. So in this case, we have to consider this value as u. Okay. So let u equal to e power of x. Then dv will be remaining two terms. That is f dash of x into dx will be the dv term. Okay. Then find u du value and v value. So let us differentiate this u value with respect to x. So du equals to, you get e power of x into dx. Then second, from this we have to find v value, right? So let us integrate that. So integral dv equals to integral f dash of x into dx. So integral dv means v. The integration of f dash of x becomes f of x. That is v value. Okay. Now let us use udv method. That is integral I1 equals to integral e power of x into f dash of x into dx, which is the form of integral udv. So what is the formula? uv minus integral v dv. Let us substitute. So let us substitute here. So u value, what is u value here? E power of x, and v is f of x minus integral v is f of x du means e power of x into dx. This is dv. Okay. Now we got this value. That is which one value? That is I1 value. Okay. Now let us substitute this I1. Substitute I1 in here. Let us substitute I1 value here. Consider this as equation number 1. So let us substitute I1 value in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1 here? I equals to integral e power of x into f of x dx plus I1. So that is equation number 1. So let us substitute I1 value there. Then we will get so substitute here, that is I equals to integral e power of x into f of x dx plus I1. So I1 value, this is I1. Okay. So that equals to e power of x into f of x minus integral again e power of x into f of x dx. If you observe here, cosecant and cube terms. Both are cancelled. Then we get I equals to e power of x into f of x. So I is nothing but what? The given integral. That equals to e power of x into f of x. That is which is our required solution. That is RHS. Okay. LHS equals to RHS. What is I value? Integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is equal to what? E power of x into f. So remember this as a formula. It will be used to solve some problems further. So remember it as a formula. Okay. So integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx is what? E power of x into f of x. So that is the solution. Okay. So let us remember this one as a formula to solve the problems. Let us see some problems here. So evaluate integral e power of x into cot x plus log sin x into dx. So this is a given question here. Integral e power of x into cot x plus log sin x into dx is a given question. So we have to evaluate this integral. First, to evaluate this integral, observe the given question here. E power of x into cot x plus log sin x. In the bracket we have two terms. One is cot x and another is log sin x. Okay, that means which is the form of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. But which is f of x, which is f dash of x. So we have to recognize that. Okay, so if you take this cot x as f of x, then what will be differentiation of cot x? If you differentiate that f of x, we have to get f dash of x. But if you differentiate this cot x, we will not get this term, right? So obviously it will not be function f of x. Okay, so let us try with the second one. Here let f of x equals to log sin x. So let us take this function as f of x. Then differentiate this function. So f dash of x equals to here differentiation of log sin x. Directly we cannot solve, so we have to use chain rule method. So first consider this sin x value as x. Okay. Then differentiation of log x. So differentiation of log x becomes 1 by x. That means 1 by x means sin x. Again we have to differentiate this inner term value, bracket value. That is dy dx of sin x. Okay, we are using chain rule method here. Here we have log of sin x, so we have to take this total term as x. So log x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Then again differentiation of this bracket value, dy by dx of sin x. Or we can solve it by considering this total value as u. Then use the chain rule method formula. Okay. Now 1 by sin x into dy by dx of sin x is cos x. So cos x by sin x is cot x. That is which value? F dash of x. If we take this log sin x as f of x, we got f dash x value as cot x. That means this is f of x and it is f dash of x. Right? So the given function is which is in the form of integration e power of x plus f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So let us write the equation first. Here integral e power of x into this will be f of x log sin x plus cot x into dx. This is in the form of integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Okay. So what is the solution? E power of x into f of x will be the solution. That equals to e power of x into f of x. So what is f of x here? Log sin x. So e power of x into log sin x plus c. So that is the solution for the given integral. Okay. So for these type of problems, first we have to consider, first we have to recognize which is the function and which is the derivative. Okay. First we have to take this function, then we have to derive. So if after derivating, if we get another value, then it is in the form of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So what is the value? E power of x into f of x is the formula. So e power of x into f of x into log of sin x. So e power of x into log sin x plus c is the solution for the given integral. Okay, let us see one more problem here. Evaluate integral e power of x into evaluate e power of x into sin x into 1 plus sin x into dx. This is not sin x, sorry. This is secant x. E power of x into secant x. That is the solution of given question here. Evaluate integral e power of x into secant x of 1 plus tan x into dx. So observe this problem goes integral e power of x by dialysis. Let us multiply this term with secant x. So secant x into 1. You get secant x plus secant x into tan x is secant x into tan x into dx. Now which is in the form of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x. So which is f of x? Obviously secant x, because differentiation of f of x is secant x into tan x. So let us take here, let f of x equal to secant x, then f dash of x will be differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So which is in the form of integral e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. So what is the formula? E power of x into f of x is the formula. So let us use this formula. Then the solution will be e power of x into f of x. So what is f of x? Secant. So e power of secant x plus c is the integral of given function. Okay. In the given question only, you will get f of x value and f dash of x value. Okay. First we have to recognize which is f of x and which is f dash of x. So let us see one more problem. Evaluate integral e power of x into tan x plus secant square x into dx. So this is the given question, which is in the form of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x. Right? Again, what is f of x here? What is f of x? We have to take this tan x value as f of x. Okay. So let f of x equal to tan x. Then f dash of x will be differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Right? So the given question is in the form of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. This is equal to e power of x into f of x. That is the formula here. Okay. So let us apply this formula to given question, which is in the form of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. What is the solution? E power of x into f of x. So e power of x into f of x. What is f of x? Tan x. So e power of tan x plus c is the integral for the given problem. Okay. We'll take one more problem. Evaluate integral e power of x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Evaluate integral e power of x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Here after e power of x we have only one function. that is 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. To use the formula, we require two functions. Okay, so let us separate this function into two types. Separate into two terms like this. First, this 1 plus cos x divides both two numerator terms. Okay, so let us divide here. First, 1 by 1 plus cos x plus second term is what? Sin x. So sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay, now this is the form e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. But we don't know which is f of x and which is f dash of x. Right? So first, if we take this function as f of x, first we have to take first function. Then differentiate this term. So if we differentiate this term, we integrate this term, we have to do it practice in one. Okay. Then let us try with this term sin x by 1 plus cos x. Then differentiate this term. Shall we get this term? We have to know which is f of x and which is f dash of x. Okay. So you will try it rougher, then solve the problem in exam. Okay. So here let us take. I'm taking here where f of x equal to sin x by cos x as f of x. I'm taking this value as f of x. Okay. So let us differentiate this term. F dash of x is equal to here d by dx of sin x by 1 plus cos x. We have to differentiate this term, which is in the form of d by dx of u by v, right? So write the formula here d by dx of u by v. What is the formula? V into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of v by v square. So that is the formula, right? So let us apply this formula here. Here f dash of x equals to, in the denominator you will get v square. So write 1 plus cos x whole square. Okay. Then in the numerator, first v into d by dx of u. This is u and it is v. Okay, first v into, that is 1 plus cos x into d by dx of u. What is u? Sin x. Then minus u into sin x into d by dx of v. So what is v? 1 plus cos x. Right? So we have applied d by dx of u by v formula. Then simplify it. So 1 plus cos x into d by dx of sin x is cos x minus sin x into d by dx of 1 is 0 plus d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So write here minus sin x. In the denominator 1 plus cos x whole square. So let us multiply here cos x into 1 cos x plus cos x into cos x square x. Then here minus sin x into minus sin x. That is plus sin square x. In the denominator 1 plus cos x whole square. Here we have cos square x plus sin square x. So what is the value of cos square x plus sin square x? 1. That is cos x plus 1 by 1 plus cos x whole square. In the numerator we have 1 plus cos x, 1 term. In the denominator it is we have 2 terms. So let us cancel this. Okay. So we will get f dash of x equals to 1 by 1 plus cos x. F dash of x equals 1 by 1 plus cos x. This term. Okay. We are taking this as a function. Okay. We are considering sin x by 1 plus cos x as f of x. Then we have differentiated by using u by v formula. We got 1 by 1 plus cos x as f of x. That is here 1 by 1 plus cos x. Okay. So this is f of x and it is f dash of x. So let us use that formula. Here. This is the given integral, right? So this is the given integral, which is in the form of integral e power of x here. Right first sin x by 1 plus cos x here plus 1 by 1 plus cos x into dx. Okay. So let us write the formula, which is the formula of e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. It is in the formula e power of x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx. What is the formula? E power of x into f of x is the formula. Okay. So let us apply this formula here. So what will be the solution? E power of x into f of x. E power of x into f of x. What is f of x? This is f of x. That is sin x by 1 plus cos x plus constant of integration plus c. Okay, so that is the solution of given question, right? So with this problem, let us end this method and let us end this session. In the next session, we will discuss some more problems in the second method, in the next method. Okay, thank you, bye.